Oh my God, it's so sunny but so windy. Grabe. Kaat ko lang galing trabaho. Dito pa nga ako saan. Kaalis ko lang ng parking from work. Guys, grabe ka windy. Muntik na ako malipad dun sa sa parking. So, pauwi na ako. Magsusundo ako kay Zion. I'm driving right now. Sunduin ko siya sa school. So, maaga na ako ngayon guys umuwi. Nagpa-change ako ng schedule. 6 to 2 na yung schedule ko. Nag-request ako Monday to Thursday para masundo ko si Zion. Kasi nga sa Ate hapon na yung uwi. Pag Friday, wala siyang pasok. So, pwede niyang ma-pick up si Zion sa school. Tapos kahapon, di ba, hindi ko natapos yung vlog. Pag uwi namin after magbenta ng bote, nagluto na ako. Tinuloy ko yung pagluluto ng tulingan. Nagprito ako. Tapos kumain kami. Hindi na sila nakabiling Jollibee kasi ginabi kami dun sa Home Depot. Tapos sa sobrang dami ng binenta naming bote, naawa kami dun. Halos matatanda na yung nag-work dun. Alam mo, masakit yung sa likod kasi maghapon silang nakayo. Natapon kayo. So guys, nahulog kayo. Nahulog kayo kasi nagbabump habang nagsasalita ako. So yun, ang tawag dito, halos yung nagtatrabaho dun sa Home Depot ay mga matatanda na. So parang masakit din sa likod nila. Yung nakayuko sila maghapon mag-sort out ng mga bote. Ay dami naming binenta. Tapos parang kami yung second to the last na customer. Binigyan namin yung isa pa dun parang may kapansanan. Pero sobrang bait niya guys. Sabi, nakangiti siya. Sabi niya, life is so short, so be happy. Ganyan pa siya. Spread the smile. Ganyan siya. Nakasmile talaga siya. So, binigyan namin siya nung nabayaran kami. Binigyan namin siya ng grabe, dikit naman tong walang hiya to. Yung sa harap ko. Paunan kasi dito guys ng parking. Ihirap ng parking dito. Kaya maaga talaga ako after ng work. Diretso na ako dito. Bala ko sana maglakad. Kasi 5 parang less than or 5 minutes walking lang from bahay yung school ni Zion, pero sobrang lakas ng hangin. Bala ko sana i-drop off yung sasakyan din, lakad ako pabalik kasi maaga pa naman. Kaso what do you call this, sobrang lakas ng hangin. So after kaming binayaran, binigyan ko yung isang mabait na ng $10, yung isa ay $5 kasi yung isa sobrang sipag, yung parang may kapansanan guys. So yun, kami, medyo malaki-laki yung naibenta nating bote. Pero hindi sila Jollibee kagabi, di ba sabi mo Jollibee, nag-dollar store lang sila Arville at Zion. Hindi sila Jollibee kasi hapon na, gabi na, late na. So at saka nakakain na rin, so sabi ngayon na lang sila maingay yung heater. So ngayon na lang sila guys mag-Jollibee, maybe later mag-Jollibee sila. Tingnan nyo sa lakas ng hangin, tumba yung basurahan, tumba yung basura. So bababa ako siguro mga 2 minutes before 2:30 para hindi malamig kasi pag ganito kalakas dun ka sa field, sobrang lamig guys. So papunta na ako sa school ni Zion and windy pa rin. 3 minutes before the bell. Dami ng mga parents to. Sasakyan paunahan dito ng parking, kaya dapat maaga ka. Pag late ka, wala kang parking. Sobrang windy ko. Lakas ng hangin. Pero ang sunny, grabe. Ang ganda ng panahon, sana kung walang hangin. Kaya malamig kasi mahangin. Malamig dito, tingnan nyo. May kintab yung snow, madulas yan. Ang dami nang nadulas dito. Sobrang kintab. So, 2 minutes. Antay tayo kay Zion. It's cold.
Then wear jacket.
No.
Why?
Zion's here.
Look what Padal gave me.
What's that?
Sorry. He's gonna
So-
come to our house.
When?
Now. After he sends Mamba and Roblox.
So windy, my love. Come here. Hold mama, we're gonna cross the street.
I like the ice.
No.
I like sliding. Me and Eric are sliding on the ice.
Really?
Yeah.
Pag ikaw nabagok ang ulo ng ga.
Where's the controllers?
It's so sunny but so windy.
I like it.
No.
Oh, there's a lot of ice. Wow. I like it.
You're going to Jollibee today?
Yes. Can we go straight to Dollar?
No, we have to wait for daddy.
Why?
Of course. He has
So then-
money.
So then,
Mommy, no.
yes, you do. You just don't want to buy with your own money.
No. I don't have money.
Liar. You have 200.
Let's go.
Liar.
No. We're home. Zion is home. Everybody's home. Except daddy.
We're gonna buy Jollibee.
Later.
Are we actually? I was gonna make tteokbokki.
Can make
Mag-make ka ng tteokbokki. Wala akong problema yun.
make tapo. Oh,
My gosh. Nagja-Jollibee daw siya. Dabong is about to go to work. At ang lahat ay pauwi. Umuwi na. Si Dabong paalis. Graveyard ka, gang. Tomorrow, anong oras ka? Ha? Closing lang? Bukas ang oras ka? Oh. Atala is cooking tteokbokki. Dinner niya daw. Hindi na siya magja-Jollibee.
she's gonna. That's her tteokbokki, but I'm gonna eat Jollibee.
Can you get the milk?
Hmm?
The milk.
Wait. Bigat ha.
Wala tayong cheese.
Eden.
Uy! Why are you under my...
Eden cheese.
Oh, right. I'm gonna shred that.
Looks yummy.
Yeah. It needs more milk though. It's still red.
You wanna eat tteokbokki, Sai?
Masarap to sa sa chicken and then the sauce, you dip it in the chicken.
Call daddy wa isi na. Tteokbokki and Jollibee chicken. So, luto na guys yung tteokbokki ni Ate. Sobrang sarap. Tingnan nyo. Yes, Ate. Luto na yung tteokbokki guys. Yan na yung aming dinner. Wala pa si Arbel. Bibili sana kami Jollibee. Nagutom na kami. So, we eat tteokbokki first. Yummy. Mainit. Tapos masakit pa yung singaw ko. Time check 3:30. Si Sayon, you wanna eat, Sai?
Yeah, I want to eat Jollibee.
May 4 na cheesecake. Spicy. Uncle Dan, where are you?
I'm at Jollibee
Having a
dinner.
dinner. It's dinner time. Yeah, dito kami sa Jollibee. Kasi nag-dine-in si Sayon. Hindi kami nag-take out. So yummy. So meron siyang 6 pieces chicken. Ano pa yan?
6 pieces. Oh,
for the burger? Cheeseburger, fries, pineapple juice, and burger steak. Yum? Busog na ako. Kumain ako ng una. Let's eat.
Wow.
You like it? Oh, share to daddy.
No.
Wow. Madami yan, 3 pieces yan eh. 3 pieces ano yan? Steak.
That's good.
So guys, bahay na kami after ng Jollibee. Bumili pala ako ng, ano nga ito, Bibi? Mattress protector na bamboo. Ginawa kong pangsapin dito sa aming couch kasi may bata kami. Tapos yung couch kasi namin guys, fabric and color gray. So, madumihin siya. Ito, ano siya? Waterproof. So, kung may mag-spill man dito, hindi siya, kung may mag-spill man dito ng mga juice or water, hindi siya agad-agad papasok sa aming couch. So, yun guys. Dalawa. Doon, king, ang binili ko. This one is queen. Dapat mag-order kami sa Shein or Temu. Parehas lang naman yan kasi ano siya. Fitted din. So, yan ang itsura ng ating couch. Balot na balot. Parang design na lang tong white. So, ganyan siya guys. Ayan. Parang design yung fitted niya, yung garter. So, protected na yung ating couch. Hindi na ako mag-worry, especially pag may Bible study. Especially pag may Bible study dito sa bahay. Ayan. Nice. Tsaka ang lambot. Ang ganda. Kasi bamboo to eh. Mattress protector. Sarap matulog, B. Sarap ikis-kisan ng paa. Sarap kiskisan ng paa, oh. Nice. I love it. Gustong-gusto to ni Sayon. Gusto niya ganito mga texture. So, ibabalik na natin yung mga tropilo, guys. Okay, guys.
Don't go in front of the mirror. May exposed ka.
Bakit? Okay, guys.
Kasi naka-
Galing ako ng thrift store. Tingnan niyo ang nahanap ko para kay Ate Lay. Sobrang gandang gown. My God, sobrang ganda niya. Sukat na sukat sa kanya. Look at that. How much? $16 lang siya.
Period.
Ay, malabo. Tingnan niyo guys, $16 lang yan.
Ganda ng quality talaga ng...
Yeah, ang ganda. As in. Tapos 3 layer siya guys. Tingnan niyo naman. So, God willing, by God's grace, gagraduate siya sa 2027. 3 layer talaga siya guys. Meron na siyang gown. For $16, look expensive.
Yeah.
Pagkita ko, sabi ko, saan to gagamitin Ate Le? Ay, naku, magagamit niya to.
Anywhere. My event, my photo shoot.
Wow.
I just need to let my hair grow out by
No?
2027.
Ang ganda. Tsaka may ano siya, hindi siya tube. Oh, meron
Yeah,
siyang...
may strap siya.
May
But you can
strap
remove
siya.
too.
Yeah.
If you want it to be a tube.
Sinukat talaga sa UV as in. I love
It
it.
was meant to be.
Yeah.
Ganda ng ano.
Pag umikot-ikot ka, oh, di ba?
Yeah.
Sa spring.
Like, if you sit down, even if it's a long time, pag tayo mo, hindi siya wrinkly.
At saka maganda dito, oh, sa chan mo, hindi ka showy. Ganda ng fitting, no?
Yeah. Maganda kasi, it's lightweight, but at the same time, it's 3 layers of
Mhm.
fabric. So, it's flowy.
So, practical talaga, guys, ang thrifting. As in, magaling talaga ako mag-thrifting. Meron din akong nakuhang long dress. Wait. I'll show you. Wait. And ito naman, guys, yung para sa akin. Nakuha ko. Wait. Iyan natin. Ayan. For $10. Pakita mo yung price ga. Summer dress.
Oh, period. Yan, no.
Baka maramping ko yung likod ko.
No. Diba, clear yung mga mirrors.
Oh, naglinis sila ngayong araw, magkapatid. Pagdating ko ang linis ng bahay, naglalabas sila. I love this dress. I love it for summer.
Cute.
Yeah. Wala kasing malalaki na long dress pa din. I love it. O, diba? $10. Kaysa man bibili ka ng ano, mamahalin. Tapos,
Anong brand?
wala. Wala siyang, I don't know. Di ko nakitang may tatak. Tiningnan ko kanina, akala ko nga Shein eh. Pero wala akong nakitang brand. I love the color B. No?
Cute siya.
Yeah?
Summer talaga.
Tsaka flowy.
Yeah.
Ano siya, satin. Satin yung ano niya.
It's not satin, it's just flowy.
Makintab siya eh.
But that's not satin.
Hindi ba?
No.
I love it. I love the dress. So, yun lang guys, ang ating story today. And si Zion. Where's my Zion? Why are you there, my love? Why are you hiding there, my love?
I like it there.
Diyan siya sa closet, oh.
If
Do you like my dress?
Yeah, nice. If we
Summer
remove
dress.
This, I could have more space. But
No,
this is your
don't.
closet, so we
Yeah.
can't remove it.
Yeah, of course.
I removed that, so then I have a lot of space.
Yeah, we don't remove it. Huy, masuffocate ka dyan. No.
I just like this.
Oh! Ba't natripan mo dyan sa loob ng closet?
I was thinking.
Good morning. Dinner pala namin kagabi guys. Ay pizza. Yan na lang yung natira. So, hindi na kami nagluto kagabi ng dinner. Ito na lang yung aming hakalan. And this morning, I'm going to cook for our breakfast. And today is Sabbath day. Today is January 17. Yeah, January 17 today. 18 tomorrow, yeah. January 17 today, and today is Sabbath day. So magsisimba ulit kami. And tulog pa silang lahat. Time check, magsa 7 o'clock. Medyo maaga ako ngayon gumising. Masakit pa rin yung singaw ko. Bumili na ako ng tawas, nilagyan ko. And medyo maaga ako gumising ngayon, nag-devotional ako, nag-pray, and then I will cook our food para maaga kami sa church, para hindi kami malate. So, let's go and cook for our breakfast and mag-prepare na tayo for our trip. Good morning, baby Zion.
Good morning, Mommy.
Good morning, baby Zion, and happy Sabbath.
Happy Sabbath.
Time for
Breakfast. We said it at the same time. We said it at the same time. Wait,
Digo, ikaw after, okay?
yeah. I charged my AirPods when I put it back in.
Ate Lay, gising na.
Mom, my AirPod is fully charged. Look, right?
Yeah.
Now when I put it back in, look. Look.
Oh, dali
3
na
to
kayo.
1. It's red.
Yeah. Oh, eat na.
I don't want
No, what?
nothing. My AirPod just dropped. What's that? Corned beef rice?
You want corned beef? Do you want corned beef?
Yeah,
this is,
yeah.
I don't know what it's already cold.
It's already cold.
And kalat. And so kalat. And so kalat guys. So ito na yung ano, binili ko kahapon na damit. Ginawa ko siyang skirt. Ayan na. And we are ready for church. Ayan, nagpailaw si Atelay. Nagme-makeup pa siya. Mauuna kami. And look at that. Naka-boots tayo. I'm wearing boots. And it looks like long skirt. Pero hindi siya skirt. Damit siya kahapon na binili ko sa thrift store for only $10.
I'm gonna watch SpongeBob in the car.
Mm. And Zion is ready.
Look, Mommy. I also have SpongeBob toy.
Pogi ng baby namin.
I like SpongeBob.
Let's go. So, ito na guys yung aking Sabbath dress for today's video. For today. So, yun guys. Nag-makeup tayo ng konti. Zion is pogi. So, paalis na kami guys. See you in the church. Bye, Atelay. Magdadrive si Atelay. Mauuna kami.
Wait.
Huwag makulit. Mauna kami kay Atelay. Susunod sila ni Dabong. Kasi late, nagme-makeup pa siya, guys. So, bye!
Let's go. Yeah.
Is this the Sabbath school?
Yeah, it's up there.
Oh, open it. Hoy, open si Mami.
I'm gonna watch SpongeBob.
And because of that, you have to talk to him more. And prayer is how we communicate to him. Because by talking to him more, we can develop our relationship with him and trust him more. And the next one, builds our gratitude for him. And the last one is choose faith over fear daily.